It's an early morning here in the shop. Gonna knock out this notch shock relocation kit, some support crossbars on this beautiful 2017. It's an early morning, it's 3:30. We're gonna try to beat this heat today. All right, put that off. Frame cleaned up, notches in place, notches cleaned up. Go ahead and get this thing welded up on the outsides. That way we can go ahead and cut the frame out. Notches in, shock relocators are in. Just need to tighten everything down, remove the stock shocks. Cut the hole in the bed, and this customer can go home or wherever the hell he wants to go, but he can't stay here. All right, it's done. Beautiful, beautiful truck. Needs to be laid out on the floor. The notch is done. Bed's cut. A little swag pack for the owner. Hit us up. You know, you need anything done, take care of you.